you back. I was your lady, no if, ands, or maybes.
Hey y'all. So I want to come on today to talk about Derrick Jaxn cheating on his wife. Now I'm late. I was supposed to do this video yesterday since I found out about it. Well, actually, I found out about it maybe on Monday, but I didn't know that it was the truth. You know. But I was kind of nonchalant to it because I'm like, no, not Derrick Jaxn. You know, somebody probably just he probably didn't cheat. You know, he probably just flirted or complimented on somebody. Some kind of way. You know, it really like did not faze me at all until Monday night. Someone tagged me in his confession video, and I was like, whoa. Y'all, that hurt my feelings because I really believed in this man. I really supported his movement. I supported everything that he stood for. It's like he was the guy that got it, you know, the guy if you in a situation or relationship with your boyfriend or fiance or husband or whatever, and, you know, your partner, your significant other is having a hard time understanding the point you're trying to make, like, we go get a Derrick Jaxn video and show him, you know what I'm saying? And to know that he has let us down, ladies. He let us down. It's hard out here. Before I get into what I saw or what I felt was going on in their confession video, I will say, as a relationship coach, I can honestly say that God will test you in that very same area that he wants you to minister in. That the area that you struggle in is the area that you're going to be used to minister to the masses about, okay? However, it comes a point when you overcome you overcome those hurdles. You pass those tests and you get through those trials and tribulations, and then you tell the people what happened, how it happened, how they can get through it, okay? I don't know how long this had been going on with them. I think in the video he did say it may have started around August or September 2020. The girl said it was nothing new. Meaning maybe he's cheated before, or nothing new as in it's just now coming public to us, but this is something that they've been dealing with and they're pretty much already over it. It's just now that it has come out. Now, from just looking back, because I know I had just shared the video of them, not the video, it was the post about his book that came out. It's pretty much about healing together. How you overcome that, how you get past that. And to be honest, I shared it because I believe it's possible. Most people say, no, you can't heal from the same person that hurt you and da-da-da. Yes, you can. It just takes two. It just can't be one-sided. It's not going to work if you're not one-sided. It's not going to work if it's just one-sided. It has to be two people in agreement, working together, understanding and being patient, and still loving and caring one another through the healing process until that trust has built back up, you know? So I think that I had just shared the video, so yeah, it did catch me by surprise. But I do think whoever this young lady was that has exposed him, I really haven't even caught up with who she is or what went on. But I do think that was that's how he wrote his book, Healing Together. And now we on the outside are just now understanding what that was really about. Because most of it's not good to go public, you know, when emotions are high and when things are new about what is going on in your household, in your relationship with family, friends, or whoever. it's sometimes you have to wait until things cool down and you gather your thoughts and you gather your emotions and you know what you're gonna do different moving forward. So of course they're getting all this criticism, backlash, people condemning them. You know, I personally have been cheated on. And I've also done the cheating. Like, I've been on both sides. In my younger days, I did the cheating. And it was nothing that, it's not like it was my nature. It was just more so the issues of the relationship resulted in that. And it's not always easy just letting go. Not always easy letting go. But I'm not making this video to defend neither one of them, because as far as Derrick Jaxn as a man, he's, you're automatically held to a higher standard. And then for you to put yourself out there as a relationship expert, a guru, however you want to perceive it, it's frowned upon. In all these years, and just to find out, you've been promoting black men don't cheat, and you're cheating. You cheated. If it was something he was forthcoming about from the jump, and then he built on that, and kept, like I said, kept expressing how you grow from it, how you got through the tests and trials, then that would be different. But in the midst of you giving this advice, you are being a hypocrite, and that just means he is still some areas that he needs to grow in. He gets it, he understands it, but still dealing with the flesh. As far as her, I can't remember her name, I'm sorry, but in that video, it was the holding the hands for me. Like, the way they were holding hands, like, it was just so strong. I don't know if it's because he got a big arm, and I don't know if it's the over under thing. I don't know, but that there was something about that. It's a possibility he didn't force her to do it. Obviously, she's a grown woman. She can do what she wants. But I think that she probably just didn't want to originally do it. But because she still supports him and she still stands by him, she's going to do that because that's what she's supposed to do. That's Bible. She had her bonnet on, though. So I don't think I would have showed up with my bonnet on, but I definitely would have looked more, just a little bit more presentable. I probably would have been classy. No, I wouldn't have gotten dolled up, especially if I had been crying, maybe. If I'm still, going through my emotions and my thoughts on what it is, and doing my own personal healing. Maybe she was cleaning up. I don't know. Maybe she had some natural hair under there, and I don't know. I wouldn't have wore a bonnet. And some people saying she didn't have a bra on. I don't know if she didn't have a bra on, or if they just hang low like that. I don't know. I don't know. For those who haven't seen it, like, yeah, I definitely, it looked like she got a bra on. It's just not a good supportive bra. But she's a very pretty lady, natural. I just would not have shown up with a bonnet on. But let me tell y'all. Hold on, let me give me a little nose, because I wrote some notes down, yeah. As a woman, we don't like to be blindsided. We don't like to look stupid. And if our guys messed around with a girl, especially if we know him, we want to know who, not because we just, oh, I just gotta know, but more so we don't be blindsided, and if something happened or if something comes up and we have to engage or encounter with this person, we already know, you know what I'm saying, what the history may be somewhere. I did like that he gave her the details, and he, went ahead and told her about everybody and everything that he had done and who he had been involved with. Because in order to be, set free, you got to be upfront about it. He didn't want anything on his conscience, and that's one good step to move forward, sincerely. I did notice when he asked her, did she want to have something to say, he looked scared, y'all. Like, I can tell he do not want to lose that woman. He loves her. He do not want to lose her. And I'm pretty sure he's going to do whatever he has to do from this point on to not be in this situation again. However, if he's a real narcissist, it's going to happen again. I don't know. Just by the videos, I didn't see enough of it. Like, I may have to go back and watch some more videos, but I know maybe like 85% of the women are like, he's a narcissist, he's a narcissist, he's a narcissist. And I will say, my own experience dealing with a narcissist, healing from a narcissist, they will do whatever, however, anything that they have to do to try to convince you that they are being real and they want you and they love you and whatever. They will do that. It's just, I don't know. So, he seemed real confident. He seemed real confident in, doing this confession. And even his reaction to his own videos. Y'all gotta see this. How he does the reactions to the situations current events or whatever. He has done a reaction to his own video. Y'all gotta watch it. Part of me is like, really? But then another part of me is like, he's smart. If he is really healing, if he's really, trying to set that bar and, increase, just hold himself accountable. That's what I'm trying to say. If he really is trying to hold himself accountable and just own up to his bull crap, he did the right thing, okay? But y'all gotta watch that video. It's on his YouTube channel. But the part that was so hilarious to me, wait, before I say that hilarious part, she has forgiven him. She explained why she forgave him. And they're moving forward. Now, a lot of people don't agree with her forgiving him and moving forward. And to be honest, from what I've seen, it's the people who have not been married, are not married, and it's the ones who I haven't seen in a long relationship, okay? I'm not judging anybody, but I'm saying that to say, you don't know how you will handle a situation until you're actually in it, okay? You don't know. I don't care how much education, wisdom, it don't matter. You don't know how you will handle a situation until you're actually in it. And when you have invested so much time and years with a person and y'all have a strong foundation, it's hard to just walk away like that. Yeah, people cheat all the time. People cheat every day. I don't agree with it. I don't condone it, but it happens. You know, it's life. We don't know the reason why he cheated. We don't know what was going on behind closed doors. But they are married, and the godly thing to do is to stand by your spouse no matter what. Your vows say for better or for worse, for richer or for poor. That is a covenant that you have with each other and the Most High, and you have to stick to that. I just know you have to be careful. You really have to be careful with who you get in a relationship with that talks about God. You know what? I'm gonna save that video for another day. I just thought about it. But she forgave him. She moved on. They're moving on. But this is the part that got me, y'all. I'm gonna try to play it. This is the part that got me. At the end of the video, he was wrapping it up and, you know, giving the benediction. He pretty much was talking about, you know, only God can do this. Only God can help you forgive someone who has hurt you. Only God can give you the grace and mercy and the strength to press on and the endurance to not give up. You know, that's pretty much what he was saying. Only God can do something like that. And it's so funny because he says, only God. And she said, yeah, only God. Like, you better be glad we married. Because if we wasn't, I would have left your ass. That's pretty much what she said, y'all. Look at this. It's so funny. I don't think nobody caught it.
Whatever it may be in this, because it's really only by God's grace that we're even able to be here on this video, holding hands. Well, like a year ago, 7 months ago,
I'm pretty sure that's the only reason she has forgiven him. When you committed like that to somebody, you like, this is what I signed up for, you know? God is going to use you in a mighty way, especially on that platform. But that's not a reason for anybody to say, ooh, we married, I can cheat, she going to forgive me. Everybody may not, and you taking a risk doing it. She may or she may not. He may or he may not. But I think she did the right thing. I think that, like she said, that's the only time a woman is really going to, you know, take somebody back like that. We gotta see a real, genuine, sincere change. And like I said, this has been going on for a while for them. This is something that has happened in the past, and it's just now coming out. Eventually, he wrote a book about it, and they are happy and at peace and moving forward. But that's my take on it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, share, all that, you know. But go watch his reaction video. Oh my God, I think it's hilarious. But it's smart at the same time. So thank y'all for watching. See ya.